What's going on, guys? Mama Rug is behind the camera. I was washing dishes over here and all I see is Dennis and Ron playing with the foam pit. I thought they were like they wanted to throw them in the swimming pool and stuff, but let's go see what those two are up to. Hello, guys. What,
Hey.
what are you guys doing?
Oh, I thought you were inside cooking.
I was looking through the window and I saw two crazy guys playing with the foam pit. I thought you guys were doing the fight, you know, dodge the foam pit.
Oh, okay. Me and Dennis, we were sitting here. We were going to swim and then we saw the foam pit and we said, okay, we saw the floaty here and we said, how about if we build a boat?
A what?
Boat.
Okay. Boat?
Boat.
Ship?
Out of
Like
the foam
like
pit.
Titanic or something?
No smaller than that. Okay. Well, since you're here, that's how we're gonna build it. We're gonna build a boat out of the foam pit.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna send Dennis to a trip
Oh my
on a
god.
cruise ship from Poway
From-
to Mira Mesa.
So from one end to
Put it
another.
on me, it's paid for it. You want this trip, and
Oh.
so it's a free trip. Long as you're gonna build it with me. So that's how we're gonna build.
Explain.
Okay. This is the base, right? The floating.
Build around it.
We're gonna build around it,
Mhm.
like maybe like two more, like this. Make it a little bigger. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then after we tied all this together, and then we're gonna go build it higher.
What are we gonna go 2 layers high? Or
I don't know, I can go the higher I can. And then
much
I'm
as
gonna build you a little bedroom here for you, suite with balcony.
Oh, okay. See how nice Papa Rug is.
There's a
there.
balcony for you, but don't jump in the ocean.
First class.
I know.
And then, I don't know, I think it's gonna stay. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it will. If
don't
we
know.
support it good, it will.
We'll
So
see.
we're gonna tie the whole thing with the duct tape into this.
Mm-hmm.
And then since we secure everything, then we're gonna keep building up. We might go like 10-story high.
Oh my god. Okay, so we're either gonna call this Dennis and Papa Rug doing something crazy or Dennis and Papa Rug did something gone wrong. Because it's gonna go wrong in the water. Believe me.
I don't know, I mean,
No, we can use Debbie on it to swim.
yeah, okay. What do you think, Dennis?
I think
You think we can do
the
it?
plan we have will work.
I think we can do it.
Okay.
And then after we finish, we can sell the boat with the foam pit.
We'll sell to Rug or Brawadis. Okay, so you guys want to set up the camera somewhere? I have to go finish cooking because I thought you guys were doing just something weird,
So
and it
we're
is
playing?
weird, huh?
You think we were playing?
Yeah.
We're gonna show them how we. Let's just show them how we build the first just like how the section is gonna be built. We're gonna do 7, Dennis.
3 more.
So 3 more. Get your tape in. So.
This is gonna be hard, really. It's gonna be a lot of work.
Okay. Let's just lay it down. You got it? Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna carry
want me to do
it.
it?
Okay, let's do it this way. Is it in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we'll do this way.
Good enough.
Yeah. And then he's gonna hand it to me.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna pull this way.
Okay, let me go get 10 the sky.
Duct tape.
Yeah, duct tape.
Okay.
Wow, you guys are creative. Okay.
Come on.
Thumbnail. Thumbnail.
It's done. That's it.
Okay, perfect. I love that.
And then
See?
we put it in the outside.
All right, guys. we'll show you the update in a little bit.
Okay. Well, I'll be back.
Should we just start this?
Ta-da!
Let's start this one.
An update on the school bus. Oh, I'm sorry, the boat.
All right, 2 hours later.
24 hours later.
It got dark and we're still working on it.
Let me see how dark. Look how beautiful.
It's not that easy. Okay, we're gonna just take one more thing and then we'll show them what we're gonna do.
Okay.
It's good to tape here.
Yeah, you find the tape, you just tape it into that.
Wait. Pull it on. Oh.
I think we should do overnight challenge on this.
I was
Look,
thinking that.
Did you see it?
You
It's
wanna go around?
I don't think so. Look,
comfy bed.
we're gonna go one down. I think it's good. A lot of tape.
Okay, that's how
Yes.
it looks like. This is the deck.
Okay.
This is the entry.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, it's
Okay.
moving.
But we're not done yet.
Okay, where is it you're gonna do?
Remember I told you we're gonna go.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna go the highest we can.
Upgrade it to a yacht instead of
Oh,
boat.
okay, yeah. So this is the lobby.
Hmm.
This is the engine room in the back. Don't go in the back.
We gotta build the next
engine. So yeah, this is.
I like it. It looks comfy. Can you put Vaseline in?
Buzz, you wanna come here?
You wanna go in the car?
Come here. Yeah. Anyway, so look at this.
No, it really looks good.
Everything was covered. So we covered the whole floaty, whatever, floaty thing.
We have to keep the dock though.
Yeah. So we
For
covered
style?
everything. This is all foam pit all around it.
Okay.
So hopefully it's gonna hold in the water.
Oh, he wants to open the door, please.
Okay.
So we're gonna call it Gucci or Louis Vuitton? No, you get-
Luxury boat.
Yeah.
And we're gonna build a site luxury boat rental.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna keep going higher, and then we'll show you the last finished project, and then we're gonna put it in the pool.
And who's gonna have the honor to sit in that?
I think we're gonna send Dennis first because he swim. I
I
don't
feel
swim.
bad. I
I don't
know.
want to just go right away and then something happens. So
I'm
we're
not
gonna
gonna
send
touch the
Dennis.
water though. I'm gonna be in the boat.
It's safe, believe me.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
mean, you know, when I build something, everybody know me. You know.
I have you on camera, and if it's not safe, you know what Dennis can do.
Yeah, that's the only thing. In the water, I never build anything in the water. This is my first test in the water, so we'll see. I think it looks shaky bakey, but I think it should be okay.
No, it really
All right,
looks
guys.
good.
I'll
Let me
see
show
you
them.
in another 2 hours, maybe.
How's it, Dennis, so far? Tiring?
Dennis,
No, it's fun, but I just want to see how it's gonna turn out.
Okay.
Dennis, he's scared. And can you tell he's scared like
Because he knows he's gonna go on it. You're gonna try it. Just tell him no, because he's not gonna work anymore.
Come on.
Dennis, we really appreciate it.
It's
No
safe.
problem.
Seriously, Dennis is the best, you guys. Yeah, everyone love him. They.
Should be
Okay.
safe, okay?
All right. Well,
Next time we're gonna put it in the water and then you'll see the finished products.
okay. So we'll be back.
Yeah.
All right. Ta-da! We're done. Dennis is already waiting there in the swimming pool for. Oh, hey, how comfortable.
It's pretty comfortable.
Does it fit 2 people, or are you gonna just send Dennis
Yeah,
on
if
the
we
trip?
ain't tired, yeah. Let's see if it's gonna stand in the water.
I know.
Ready?
Okay.
Okay, this is the finished product. That's the project.
It's actually heavy.
It's heavy, yeah.
Yeah.
So then stand right here. What do you guys think?
I think it looks good. I mean, if you go
What
to
you
school
say-
with
what you
this
say,
bus,
school bus?
it is.
A floating school bus.
We
Yeah,
have to go pick up the
kids.
student. Yeah.
Take them field
We're gonna
trip.
pick them up from that side, bring them down the other side. Okay, now we're gonna move the school bus or the boat.
I mean, we started with the boat, turned out to be a school bus. It's okay.
It's heavy, see?
Okay, let's,
Wanna lift it?
there we go.
Hold on. Something almost pushing.
Okay, everything looks good. I want to face it this way though.
Which way? That one?
Oh,
Yeah, that way. Yeah.
So let me move it here. Okay, you want to lift it and push it in? It's heavy.
No, we're gonna roll it. Okay.
not roll it.
I mean,
Don't sink the school bus.
I think from there you should.
I want to keep it close here. So
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, you want it?
I can turn it in the water.
yeah.
You wish. You think it's gonna be flexible to turn?
Are you guys ready?
Okay, show.
Yeah, let's go.
Woo! Oh my God, that looks so cool! Really?
It's good.
Wow. How lucky are the kids they're gonna go on this bus? Or people they're gonna go cruising in this.
Yeah, we got
Woohoo! Mama Rug's yacht is ready.
Okay. I'm gonna get it. I don't know. Shit. Hold on, let's put this one up. That way.
You should call Brandon to see this. I know he'll oh.
Make sure it doesn't flirt.
Imagine. Oh, whoa. Okay. Okay. Where's the umbrella?
I think.
This
Okay,
is
let's
nice.
push
Really.
Make sure that.
Imagine if he's saying he does not swim, Dennis, don't laugh. Oh my God, look. Ron looks
Yeah.
like a little kid and Dennis is giving him a ride. Tip the guy, tip the guy.
It's not flipper, right?
No, really, wow.
Seriously?
Shout out to you guys, really. Oh my God, this is cool.
24 hours overnight. Oh my God. Okay, you can push me now.
You want to go?
You're gonna go on the other side.
I'm
No,
gonna sink.
no, on the other side of the.
Oh.
Imagine you forgot about that.
All right.
This is so cool, really. You guys did good job. Oh
do you
my
think?
God, I love it, but I won't trust myself sitting in there.
Oh my
I think
god.
I'm
When
gonna
you get
get-
in the water, it's so high.
Oh yeah, you can tell it's high. Look, the side. Okay,
You want to
but
go
that really looks so good.
You want to go back more?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
I think I'm planning for trip tomorrow.
Ron, don't go back. No, no, I'm scared.
It's okay. I'm
Oh,
planning
do-
for a trip tomorrow.
Trip?
Yeah, I'm going to the ocean tomorrow.
Are you with this? Okay.
Take it to the
He
water.
can.
I mean, it's safe,
Imagine.
Yeah.
right? It's safe. Just have company.
You're gonna attract a lot of eyes. Look, a lot of girls, Ron.
Huh?
Ooh, you have room for girls there? Uh huh.
Yeah, I make sure.
You got an apartment or house in the water.
Okay, let's turn it this way and push me out.
You guys are so. Oh, you know those Sinbad when they hold the king? No,
Oh,
where
they
is it?
hold them?
Yeah, yeah, those things when they hold
I
those.
don't know what it's called.
Yeah, but that's where he looked like. He looked like a king in the water.
You had one more person there, yeah.
Yep. You need to. Where
I
are
think
they?
of work. We didn't sing.
You look so comfortable.
Look at.
Oh yeah, I mean.
Byron,
always-
love you. You're gonna go on the other
I'm
side.
gonna keep it. This, you see, you got this shade from the sun.
Yeah.
I can put something in the top,
Yeah.
and that's it. I'll be floating in the swing pool all the time. You wanna try it, Dennis?
You look too comfortable right now.
I know.
Really?
Oh my God.
Sure. You can go or no?
It's heavy, Ron. Should I give you Bosley in your lap? Uh-huh. Yeah, you know those kings, they hold them with the sticks? Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Yes.
Pushing it, I can't keep. I'm gonna turn it this way, okay?
No problem.
Oh my god, look. I'm gonna record around it. Oh my god. If you see it while it's floating in the water, it's crazy. It looks like just a block of cubes in the water. I think little by little, you think it's gonna go down or no? No, it's floating good.
What do you think?
I love it.
I think we succeeded. We did good.
All right, it works.
Say it, say it. Say the word where he said.
Succeed.
Uh-huh. He said.
Succeeds.
Not
Now we
sexy.
succeed.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think I never thought it's gonna work, but hey, The
In
way
the
we
beginning,
did
we were kind of thinking about it. Then we said, okay, we're good.
It might not look like a boat, I'm sorry, but it's something
it's
floating in the water.
Everything
Uh-huh.
in the water we call
And
it a
it's
boat.
better than a boat. No, really.
Yeah, I mean, it
Like-
was just flooded and we upgraded
Uh-huh.
to, we have a wall.
You're tilting to
windows.
the left, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Watch
I-
out.
Oh, no way. No. Okay,
Yes,
let's
you
put
are.
some weight this way.
I mean, enough is enough for a thumbnail.
You want to go towards the middle for a thumbnail?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Okay, let's push me.
Imagine now it's gonna fall apart. No, no, it's strong.
I can be in the back and push. I swear it's tilting now.
I'm trying to fix the camera, but it's the boat that's tilting. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, Ron. Now.
Okay. Anyway, guys, enough of saying things. We built it. It worked. I'm floating in the water, and tomorrow I'm gonna have a party inside. So join me, everybody, for the party about 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay.
Drink water, sodas only, and
And boats.
maybe should we do barbecue, Dennis?
Yeah, barbecue.
And barbecue
Okay.
inside the boat.
Uh-huh.
Yep. And if you want me to build more things like this, I don't know, not in the water.
I know.
Or if you want me to build a school bus in the water,
You did already. Don't worry.
A 2-in-1 video.
no, we
I-
can just put benches, and this one will be a school bus.
Yeah. Part 2. If you guys want part 2, they're up to.
We'll make a bigger boat.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
All right. Anyway, guys, thank you. Thanks for Dennis for helping me.
No problem.
Thanks.
And other than that, it's been Papa Rug.
Mama Rug behind the camera and
Dennis.
Peace.
peace.
All right.
Come by that.
How are you gonna get out?
Come on, we gotta lift this here.
Ditlok lang Maya, Dennis.
Dog.
Can I give you a hand?
Well,
No, I think I'm. Oh shit.
you hold it.
Oh,
This is where the crew stops for the day. We're at the dock, and tomorrow you're gonna go somewhere else.
oh yeah, that's okay. We're stopping here.
Oh my
Okay.
God,